Hello, greetings mga ka-spacers out there. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-spacer and space commander Professor June Cahigal from the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers and Beda University, Manila. And welcome mga ka-spacers to this online telescope viewing of our waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination. Yes, you heard that right mga ka-spacers, 99% illumination. So it's an almost full moon. No? Halos bilog na pero syempre mga konting pa. So it's only 99% and we still consider this as a waxing gibbous moon. Actually, full moon will begin tomorrow. Alright, and tomorrow is a special day because there will be an astronomical event tomorrow, which is the partial lunar eclipse. Alright, so right now mga ka-spacers, you are viewing on screen our waxing gibbous moon, and again, this waxing gibbous moon is 99% illumination. So today is November 18, 2021, a day before the partial lunar eclipse tomorrow. Okay, November 19, 2021. Ayan po, so namnamin po ninyo ang ganda ng ating buwan. Actually, medyo late po yung aking pagla-livestream kasi hinintay ko pa talaga na mag-move yung clouds kasi kanina medyo maulap and at medyo hazy pa kanina, so naghintay pa lang ako ng konti para medyo clear po yung ating image na mabibigay ng ating telescope. So ganyan po talaga ang astronomy. No? We are at the mercy of the clouds. Pero ngayon, this wait is worth it. Ayan, kasi napakaganda ng image na binibigay ng ating telescope. And mga ka-spacers, we are live and alive here in Las Piñas. So again, mga ka-spacers, I am using a Vixen refracting telescope, 80mm objective lens with a 15mm Plausil eyepiece with a webcam attached to it. The webcam is attached to my computer, and there we have it. We have here the image of the moon being broadcast to you mga ka-spacers online. Yan po. So para makarating po ito sa Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. Kasi po talagang hindi pa tayo pwede at ako'y nag-aalangan pa sa face-to-face public telescope viewing. Though medyo bumababa na po ang mga kaso ng COVID-19, still huwag tayo pong magpakampante. Baka next year baka sumipa po yung mga kaso dahil lahat lumalabas na ng bahay. So hanggang dito na lang muna tayo mag-online telescope viewing until siguro maging safe na, at least maging alert level 1. Alright, so kung meron po kayong mga katanungan or kung meron kayong mga reactions about our lunar image tonight or comments about our lunar image, please feel free to type in your comments, your reactions, or even questions about our moon tonight. Type in our comment section below. Alright, so dun sa mga kabubukas lang ng kanilang mga laptops and kanilang mga cellphones, you are viewing on screen our almost full moon tonight. Okay, waxing gibbous at 99% illumination. And later mga ka-spacers, in a few minutes, we will be magnifying the image of the moon. Okay, so siguro habang naghihintay tayo dun sa ating magnified image, so siguro pag-usapan natin yung eclipse, this coming lunar eclipse tomorrow. No? So tomorrow, we will be witnessing a partial lunar eclipse. Ayan, siguro bago natin ituloy yung ating kwentuhan, to here is now the magnified image of the moon. Ayan po. So you can see those dark patches again. Those dark patches are lunar planes. Yan, mga patag po yan ng buwan, mga ka-spacers. Alright, and those lunar planes, they are made up of a material called basalt. Alright, so these are dark, relatively featureless lunar planes, or we call them Marias, Latin word for seas. Again, because these early sailors, they thought those dark areas were bodies of water. But we know now, mga ka-spacers, that those dark patches are vast, solidified pools of ancient basaltic lava. Ayan po. Alright. And what you're seeing now on screen is the Tycho crater. Ayan po. Okay. Ayan po, that's the Tycho crater, mga ka-spacers. Alright, so fascinating indeed, right? The Tycho crater is a prominent lunar impact crater located in the southern lunar highlands, named after the renowned astronomer Tycho Brahe. Its diameter is about 85 kilometers across. Alright, and again, what you're seeing now on screen, I am moving my telescope yan doon sa mga dark patches na yan. Ayan, and yung nasa gitna is the Sea of Tranquility. Ayan, so kung saan naglanding po yung Apollo 11. Alright, so para po tayong nakasakay sa spaceship. No? Para tayong imagine that we are orbiting the moon. Alright, so this is now the northern part of the moon. Ayan, so fascinating indeed. And yung mga bright areas na yan, mga ka-spacers, yung mga puti-puti na butlig-butlig na yan, those are lunar highlands and impact craters. Okay, and ayan po yung ating magnified image of the moon. Alright, so yan, buti na lang walang masyadong ulap at napaka-clear ng image na binibigay ng ating telescope. Okay, so if you have any comments or reactions about what you saw, yung ating magnified image of the moon, just feel free to type in your comments, your reactions, or kung may mga questions kayo in our comment section below. Alright, so shout out sa mga officers and crew of the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers with Miss Angeline Kilang at the helm. And also, pabati na rin in advance, happy birthday. Congratulations for completing another revolution around the sun kay Mommy Cecil Kilang. Ayan, so she will be celebrating her birthday tomorrow. Ayan yung araw ng partial lunar eclipse. Biruin nyo naman, saan pa kayo? No? Birthday na na may partial lunar eclipse. No? So happy birthday, and also congratulations for completing another revolution around the sun sa ating former president of the BSYA, si Mr. GC Cascolan. Okay, so saan pa kayo? No, magbe-birthday sila sa kasagsagan ng partial lunar eclipse bukas. No? Alright, so mga ka-spacers, so isn't that fascinating indeed, no? Alright, so siguro habang hinihintay natin yung ating magnified image of the moon ulit, siguro magbigay muna tayo ng mga facts about the moon. Alright, so yung lunar surface is composed of a soil called regolith. So regolith is a layer of loose soil and rocks produced by meteorite impacts over the long history of the moon. And this regolith absorbs most of the light which falls on it, and this would explain why the albedo of the moon is quite low, less than 1, 0.10 nga yung albedo. Pag sinabi po nating albedo, this is the amount of light reflected by a celestial object. Like for example, Venus. Venus has the highest albedo. Highly reflective po yung Venus. Yung Earth naman, medyo mababa yung albedo niya, about 35% yung albedo. Yung buwan, mas mababa po yung albedo niya, no? 0.10. Pero ang tanong, bakit maliwanag yung buwan lalo na ngayon, no? Kung lalabas kayo sa kalsada at titignan niyo po yung buwan ngayon ay napakaliwanag. Bakit gano'n, no? It is because the moon is near. Malapit yung buwan sa atin. And that explains kung bakit maliwanag yung buwan in spite of the fact that the moon has a very low albedo of less than 1. Kasi malapit yung buwan eh. The moon is very near to us. Okay po? Alright. And with regards to its orbit around the Earth, there are times that the moon is really close to the Earth. Yung closest or nearest point in its orbit is what we call the perigee. So at perigee, the moon is closer to the Earth, no? And there are times that the moon is really far from the Earth. So ang tawag dyan ay apogee. Okay, at apogee, the moon is farther from the Earth and looks slightly smaller. Alright, again, this is because that the moon's orbit is elliptical. Ayan, okay? Alright, so those are some moon facts. Okay, so sana may natutunan kayo doon. And sa mga nakikinig po ngayon, maraming pong salamat sa inyong pagtutok. Sana may mga natutunan kayo sa aking mga pinagsasasabi. Alright, and yan, marami pong salamat. Dumadami po tayo ngayon. So again guys, so please like, share, and subscribe po mga ka-spacers so that we could reach more people. We could reach more students. Yan, lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante so that they would be inspired to love the sciences, especially astronomy. Alam niyo po, hindi ako nagsasawa na sabihin po sa inyong lahat yan kasi yun talaga po ang advocacy ng Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. We would like to bring the telescope to you. Yun din po yung advocacy namin sa Manila Street Astronomers. We bring the telescope to you po para makita ninyo at ma-appreciate po ninyo ang ganda ng night sky. Okay, pero hindi lang po yung mga celestial objects sa gabi, we also observe the sun. Okay po. So ayan po yung aming advocacy dito sa Vedan Society of Young Astronomers and also sa Manila Street Astronomers. And by the way, shout out sa mga kasama ko sa Manila Street Astronomers. Alright. So ayan po yung advocacy ng BSYA and the Manila Street Astronomers. Okay, so yan, sabi ni Mr. Leonardo Acosta, shout out kay Mr. Leonardo Acosta. Yan, additional facts daw about the moon. Ayan, sige sir. Okay, and yung kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung albedo po ng buwan ay mababa. Okay? Because of the material called regolith that absorbs most of the light which falls on it. No? Okay, and also with regards to the orbit of the moon around the Earth, the moon orbits the Earth once every 27 days. And the moon revolves around the Earth also every 7 days. So, di ba? Amazing yun, di ba? Yung period of rotation niya is the same as its period of revolution around the Earth. So ang tawag dito ay synchronous rotation, no? And this explains mga ka-spacers why we see only one side of the moon. No, we see only one side of the moon because of this synchronous rotation. O diba? So diba lagi yan, hindi nagbabago. Kaya minsan ako'y nakakantsawan na. No? Pag nagte-telescope ako sa kalsada, sasabihin ng mga kaibigan ko, ng mga mahal ko sa buhay, hindi ba kayo nagsasawa dyan? Ganyan na ganyan lagi yung nakikita nyo. Diba? Pero kung ako tatanungin nyo, hindi po ako nagsasawa. Talagang every time I observe the moon mga ka-spacers, laging bago ang tingin ko. No, bakit kaya? Yan ang mga tinatawag na mga moon lovers. Ayan, so sabi ni Mr. Leonardo Acosta, ayan, good evening Prof. Jun Cahigal and to all the viewers, yung mga ka-spacers natin out there. Ayan, marami pong salamat Mr. Acosta. I declare you as a ka-spacer. Ayan. Alright, and we are now viewing again the magnified image of the moon. And I am pointing my telescope at the Copernicus crater. Ayan po, yun nasa gitna. Kaya lang medyo maliwanag na yung loob ng Copernicus crater, kaya hindi natin ma-appreciate yung beauty niya. No? But to give you again some facts about the Copernicus crater, the Copernicus crater is 93 kilometers in diameter. And what you're seeing now on screen is the Tycho crater. Ayan po. Okay, the Tycho crater. The crater was named after the renowned astronomer Tycho Brahe. The diameter of the Tycho crater is 85 kilometers. Medyo malit ng konti, pero malalim siya. The depth of the Tycho crater is 4.8 kilometers. Okay, yung Copernicus crater, mga 3 kilometers in depth. Ayan, mas malalim yung Tycho crater. Alright, and you're seeing now those dark patches. Those dark patches are lunar plains. Ayan po mga ka-spacers. So those are lunar plains. Mga patagbo yan ng buwan. Alright. And those plains, ay mga dark areas na yan, they are caused by the flow of lava. No, when the moon was still volcanic. And yung mga dark patches na yan, they're made of dark rock called basalt. Okay? Ayan, so basalt po yan. Alright, so if you're fascinated by what you're seeing now, so please comment down below. Ayan po. Fantastic. So imagine that you are on board the Apollo spacecraft. Yan, parang we are orbiting the moon. No? And yung mga white areas na yan, yung mga parang butlig-butlig na puti, those are lunar highlands and impact craters. Alright, so ayan po mga ka-spacers. So, yung Copernicus crater, hindi na masyadong spektakular kasi mamiliwanag po yung loob. No, unlike itong Tycho crater, kitang-kita yung mga patterns, white lines surrounding the rim. Ayan, those are rays. Yan po yung mga rays po surrounding the Tycho crater. Those rays were formed by an impact of an asteroid. Okay, those patterns, yung mga white patterns na yan, they are caused by debris thrown out by the initial impact of an asteroid or a large object from space. Yung debris na yan, called ejecta, created those patterns called rays. Alright. Ganun din actually sa Copernicus crater. Meron din siyang mga patterns of white lines. Kaya ngayon, yan, kitang-kita pa naman. Pero yung loob niya medyo maliwanag. Unlike nung waxing gibbous na 60% illumination or 70%, napakaganda talaga ng Copernicus crater. Alright, so that's it. That's our magnified image of the moon. And kung na-miss niyo po yan, mga ka-spacers, uulitin po natin. Ayan, para ma-feel ninyo at ma-appreciate ninyo yung ganda ng lunar surface. So again, yung mga kabubukas lang kanilang mga laptops or cellphones, we are viewing, kasi baka akala nyo full moon po, hindi pa full moon, no? Technically speaking, the moon is only 99% illuminated. Ang full moon po talaga natin ay bukas. And tomorrow also, we will be witnessing a partial lunar eclipse. Diba? So are you not fascinated by that? Diba kayo na-amaze? Ngayon, ano nga ba itong partial lunar eclipse? Alright, what do we mean by a partial lunar eclipse? So when we say partial lunar eclipse, mga ka-spacers, this means that the Earth's shadow, kasi diba na yung pag sinabi nating lunar eclipse, the Earth is between the Sun and the Moon. So the Earth would cast a shadow upon the Moon. Alright? So yung Earth nasa gitna between the Sun and the Moon. So yung Earth natin will cast a shadow upon the Moon. And dalawa po yung shadow na yan. We have the lighter shadow called the penumbra and the darker shadow called the umbra. Now during a partial lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow will obscure the Moon partly, hindi lahat, hindi 100%. In fact, tomorrow, the Moon, or the Earth will obscure the Moon at about 97% only. Hindi totally 100%. Okay? Alright, so yun po yung mangyayari on November 19, bukas po. Okay, the partial lunar eclipse tomorrow will darken most of the moon. Siguro mga 97% of the moon will slip into the Earth's umbral shadow. Ayan po. So, and mga ka-spacers, for your information, this lunar eclipse tomorrow, yung partial lunar eclipse, will be the longest lunar eclipse. Okay? So bakit naging longest? Actually, itong eclipse na ito, magsisimula yan as a penumbral eclipse. So it will begin at around 2:02 in the afternoon, wherein the moon will pass through the Earth's penumbral shadow. Sa hapon, mga 2:02 ng hapon. So, ang tawag dyan ay penumbral eclipse of the moon, in which the moon will pass through the Earth's penumbral shadow, and that will occur at around 2:02 in the afternoon. Kaya lang, kasawing palad, the moon is still below the horizon dito sa Pilipinas. So hindi pa po natin siya makikita. Alright? Then, the moon, after passing to the penumbral shadow of the Earth, the moon now will pass through the umbral shadow. Ito na yung beginning ng partial lunar eclipse. The partial lunar eclipse will begin at around 3:18 in the afternoon. And unfortunately, the moon is still below the horizon. So hindi pa po natin siya makikita dito sa Pilipinas by that time. Okay, so slowly the moon will pass through the umbral shadow. The maximum eclipse, pag nakoberan na yung moon at about 97%, the maximum eclipse will occur at around 5:02 in the afternoon. Okay, yung partial eclipse will begin at around 3:18 ng hapon. Pero nasa baba pa ho ng horizon yung buwan. Maximum eclipse will be at around 5:02 in the afternoon. And hindi pa po natin yan makikita because the moon is still below the horizon. Moonrise will start at around 5:24 or 5:25 in the afternoon. Diyan lang po aangat yung buwan sa horizon paghapon na mga 5:25. By that time po mga ka-spacers, lampas na po tayo sa maximum. Patapos na po yung maximum eclipse. Pero wag po kayong mabahala mga ka-spacers. Bakit? Makikita pa rin po natin yung reddish tinge ng buwan. Again, because of the Rayleigh scattering ng atmosphere natin. So makikita pa natin yung reddish tinge o yung tinatawag nilang blood moon. Kaya lang hindi talaga 100% yung pagtakip ng umbral shadow sa moon, 97%. Pero pag mga 5:30 na siguro patapos na yan, mga 80% na or 75%. Pero makikita pa rin natin po mga ka-spacers yung reddish tinge ng buwan. So mga 5:30 ng hapon, mga 5:45 or 6, get ready with your cameras mga ka-spacers. Get ready with your DSLR. So kung may mga telescopes kayo, ilabas nyo na po and you can take pictures of that reddish tinge of the moon, yung tinatawag nilang blood moon. Okay, makikita pa rin po yan by 5:30. Yan. So visible na yan sa Pilipinas. Then eventually yung buwan lalabas na yan sa umbral shadow, and that is now the beginning of the penumbral eclipse of the moon. So ayan na po. And that penumbral eclipse will end at around 9 in the evening. Okay, partial eclipse of the moon will end at 6:45. Diyan na po magtatapos yung partial eclipse. Then yung penumbral eclipse naman, and that will end at around 9:03 in the evening. So biruin nyo mga ka-spacers, from 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 9 o'clock in the evening. Ilang oras yun? That's why this is the longest lunar eclipse na masisilayan po natin. No? So are you not fascinated by that, no, mga ka-spacers, no? Alright, mag-shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. Almost full moon na, di ba? Ayan, kaya nilagay natin dito 99%. Yan, almost full moon na. Okay, and shoutout din tayo kay Miss Teresa Dava. No, moon lover din po ko. Lagi ako nakatingin sa moon. Ayan, so marami pong salamat Miss Teresa Dava for watching. And kay Miss Andrea Field Ramos from Bulacan. Yeah, may Kawayan, Bulacan. Naku, marami pong salamat Miss Andrea Field Ramos for watching our online telescope viewing tonight of the almost full moon, like yung sinabi ni Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. Okay po. So, pakikalat na lang po mga ka-spacers. So, please like, share, and subscribe po so that we could reach more people, we could reach more students, so that they would be inspired to love the sciences, especially astronomy. Okay po, so ito po ulit yung ating magnified image of the moon. Yan pa, kasi mas gusto ko itong na-magnify para mas makita natin yung mga details of the lunar surface. Ayan po, so sana nagugustuhan niyo po itong ginagawa natin. Ayan, so nakikita niyo yung mga dark patches ulit. Those dark patches are lunar plains, or we call them Marias or seas. Ayan, Maria is the Latin word for sea. Ngayon baka magtaka kayo bakit kaya tinawag na seas yan or Maria. Kasi yung mga sinaunang mga sailors na nakakala nila mga bodies of water. Kaya tinawag niyang seas or Marias. And what you're seeing now is the Copernicus crater. Ayan, lumampas na yung Copernicus crater. And I am moving my telescope at the Tycho crater. Ayan po, itong Tycho crater na nakikita nyo on screen. The Tycho crater is about 83 kilometers in 85 kilometers in diameter, and it has a depth of about 4.8 kilometers. Ayan, and the Tycho crater was named after the renowned Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe. Si Tycho Brahe po, siya yung isa sa mga magagaling na mga astronomers before the invention or the development of the telescope. Yan, wala pa pong telescope noon, marami nang nagawa si Tycho Brahe. Okay, I am moving my telescope again towards those dark plains, and mga lunar plains po yan made of basalt. Kaya dark colored siya because basalt is a dark colored rock that was formed when the moon was still volcanic po, mga ka-spacers. No? Okay, kaya lang 'di ba the moon is now a dead rock in space. Alright, so ayan po yung ating buwan, yung magnified image of the moon, and I am moving now the telescope at the northern part of the moon. Yan yung mga dark areas na yan po mga ka-spacers, that's caused by the flow of lava, no, when the moon was still volcanic. Ayan, and you're now seeing on screen, sa gitna po ng ating screen, yung Copernicus crater. Ayan, which is about 93 kilometers in diameter. Ayan po, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dyan at na-relax kayo dun sa ating magnified image of the moon tonight. Okay po, ayan, so maraming salamat. Shoutout ulit kay Miss Andrea Field Ramos. Ayan po, maraming salamat. Taga TESDA pala si ma'am. So, yan, pakikalat na lang po to sa mga estudyante ninyo. And kay Miss Teresa Dava, again, moon lover din po siya. Ayan, marami pong salamat for watching our online telescope viewing. Ayan, pakikalat na lang po ma'am para ma-inspire naman yung inyong mga kaibigan, inyong mga loved ones. Alright, and shout out din kay Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. And alam niyo po mga ka-spacers, itong si Jesse James De Jesus, isa lang siya sa mga maraming amateur or mga astronomy enthusiasts na ganito rin yung ginagawa po nila. Yan, they take pictures of the moon, yung mga stars, mga planets. So tangkilikin po natin, suportahan po natin sila. Yung grupo nila Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. Yun ang kanilang passion. Suportahan po natin yung grupo nila Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. Yan po, sila yung mga talagang mga passionate astronomy enthusiasts. So probably we can call them amateur astronomers, no? Okay, yan. So, suportahan po natin sila. And shout out din po kay Mr. No? Tama ba to? Or Miss Marigor Sullivan Pabilona. Ayan. So, all the way from, Antique. Wow. So, marami pong salamat Miss Marigor Sullivan Pabilonia. Tama ba? I hope I pronounced it right. Pabilona. Ayan po. Okay. Ayan, napaka-relaxing daw po spiritually ang mga heavenly bodies. Totoo yan po. No? Every time we looked up, lalo na pag may bonnet, talagang nakaka-relax po siya. Ako nga din po, nare-relax po every time I look up and every time I observe the moon. Talagang nare-relax po ako. Kaya nafe-feel ko po sila Jesse James De Jesus. Kaya very passionate po sila kasi talagang yun ang hilig nila. Siguro habang nakasilip sila sa telescope, talagang nare-relax sila, nawawala yung mga problema nila. Ayan, so tama yan na Miss Pabilona, talagang nakaka-relax nga po ang mga heavenly bodies. So thank you for watching Miss Marigor Sullivan Pabilona or Pabilonia. Ayan. Miss po. Okay. Ayan, Miss Marigor Sullivan Pabilona. Ayan. So marami pong salamat ma'am and I really appreciate na nanood kayo. Tagus po yan sa puso ko. Ayan, marami pong salamat ma'am. Okay. Ayan, even the sunsets and sunrise daw po, the sky in general. Ayan, di ba? Okay. Oo nga, no? So siguro, Miss Marigor, kung nasa Dolomite Beach ka, no, mas maganda po yun. Talagang kitang-kita mo din yung sunset. Ayan, paglubog ng araw, naku, magandang kunan ng picture yung araw habang lumulubog siya dun sa horizon, no? Lalo na pag nasa nasa Dolomite Beach. Alright, so ayan po yung ating waxing gibbous moon. It's an almost full moon mga ka-spacers. Ayan po. So, ayan Miss Marigor Pabilona, I declare you as a ka-spacer. Ayan, ka-spacer na po kayo together with Miss Andrea Field Ramos, together with Miss Teresa Dava, Mr. Leonard Acosta and si Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. So again po mga ka-spacers, suportahan po natin yung grupo nila Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. Ayan, pag nag-post sila sa kanilang mga Facebook pages, yan, suportahan po natin sila. Okay, like and share. Okay, so again we are viewing now the waxing gibbous moon at about 99% illumination. And again po, happy birthday po ulit kay Miss Cecil Kilang. Alright, advance happy birthday po. Bukas po yung birthday niya. Kasagsagan po ng partial lunar eclipse. And happy birthday din sa aming former president of the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers, si Mr. G.C. Cascolan. Bukas din yung birthday niya. Ayan. Okay, so talagang siya na, no? Kasi si Mr. G.C. Cascolan ay naging member ng UP AstroSoc. No? So ano pang masasabi nyo? Wala akong masabi. Congratulations Mr. GC. So keep it up. Yan, pagbutihan mo yan. Okay, so ayan po mga ka-spacers. So please like and share and subscribe. Okay, para kumalat po yung ating online telescope viewing so that we could reach more students, we could reach more people to love the sciences, especially astronomy. And sa ating mga viewers po natin, sa mga ka-spacers po natin, maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching this online telescope viewing. And talagang sa katagus-tagusan po ng puso ko, maraming salamat po for watching and sa pagsuporta ninyo sa ating gawain dito sa Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. Okay, so again po, bago tayo magtapos, again ipaliliwanag ko lang kung ano mangyayari bukas. So bukas, we will be witnessing a partial lunar eclipse. So first, yung buwan natin po ay dadaan sa penumbral shadow ng Earth natin. And that will start at around 2 in the afternoon. No? So dadaan yung ating buwan sa penumbral shadow ng Earth in ang penumbral eclipse. That will begin at around 2:02 in the afternoon. Kaya lang hindi pa ho natin siya makikita kasi nasa ibaba pa ho ng horizon. Then eventually mga alas 3, the moon will pass through the Earth's umbral shadow, yung dark shadow. So at around 3:18, dyan na po magsisimula yung partial lunar eclipse. Mga 3:18 in the afternoon. Pero hindi pa ho natin siya makikita kasi yung buwan ay nasa ibaba pa ho ng horizon. Maximum eclipse will be at around 5:02 wherein the moon will be covered by the umbral shadow of the Earth at 97%. Hindi totally 100% but only 97% of the moon will be covered by the Earth's umbral shadow. And hindi po natin din yan makikita kasi nasa horizon pa ho yung buwan. Moonrise tomorrow will be at around 5:25. By that time, tapos na po yung eclipse. Yung maximum eclipse. Pero makikita pa rin natin po yung partial eclipse na hindi na 97%, mga 5:30, 5:45, 6 o'clock, and makikita pa rin natin po yung reddish tinge ng buwan. So visible na po yan sa Pilipinas. Alright. Partial eclipse will end at around 6:47, then dadaan po ulit yung buwan sa penumbral shadow. Penumbral eclipse po yan, and the penumbral eclipse will end at 9:03 in the evening. So napakahaba po ng eclipse. No? It will begin at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it will end at 9. Saan pa kayo? No? Kaya napakahalagang astronomical event po yan. Alright, and right now you are seeing on screen the Tycho crater. Ayan po yung Tycho crater. Ayan po, so nakaka-amaze talaga ng mga ka-spacers itong Tycho crater na ito. Ayan, and dun sa mga gilid niya, those are ejecta or rays, yung mga white patterns dun sa rim ng Tycho crater. Alright, maganda po yung ating image na binibigay ng telescope. Yan. Okay, and makikita niyo yung mga dark patches na yan. Those are lunar plains. Mga patag po yan ng buwan. Alright, and we are moving the telescope and towards the northern part of the moon. Yan, nakikita niyo po yung Copernicus crater na yan po. Yung parang malaking puting itim na yan. Puti na bilog. Yan. Okay, ito po, that's the Copernicus crater. Kaya lang medyo maliwanag po yung loob kaya hindi masyadong spectacular. Hindi kagaya pag 60% yung gibbous space, kitang-kita yung loob ng Copernicus crater. Alright, so isn't that fascinating, no? Itong ating magnified image of the moon. So what do you think, mga ka-spacers? So just comment down below po. No? Kung kayo'y nahihiwagaan sa ating lunar image na pinapakita ng ating telescope. Okay, sabi ni Miss Cecil Sorelia Fraginal, yan, thank you po Professor June for sharing amazing facts about the moon. I will share those information to teacher po kayo. Okay po, so maraming salamat from DepEd. Yan, marami pong salamat Ma'am Cecil. Sige po, para ma-inspire po yung mga estudyante ninyo. Yan, thank you po ma'am. And ayan, maraming salamat din sabi ni Mr. Jesse James Desus. Yan, huwag ka mag-alala Mr. Jesse James, suportado ka namin. We support your advocacy and your passion for astronomy. Okay, so ayan po, that's the magnified image of the moon. Yan, and again I am pointing my telescope towards the Tycho crater. Ayan po. So fascinating. Napakalaking crater po niyan. Napakalaking crater. And together with the Copernicus crater, baka yung Copernicus crater pa nga, mas malaki pa yan kaysa sa Las Piñas. And I am broadcasting here live and alive from Las Piñas po mga ka-spacers. Yan, and marami pang salamat at nakakaabot ang ating live stream hanggang Bulacan, sa South, nakakaabot po tayo dyan. Okay, so yan po yung ating magnified image of the moon. And sana nagustuhan niyo yan. And like yung sinabi ni Miss Marigor Sullivan Pabilona, sana na-relax po kayo sa inyong panunood ng waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination. Almost full moon na po mga ka-spacers. Almost full moon na po. Okay, actually maximum will be tomorrow. Yung full moon talaga officially will be tomorrow. Okay po, so siguro hanggang dito na lang po tayo. May mga pasok pa po tayo bukas at yung mga estudyante natin ay mag-aaral at baka 9:30 na po, it's 9:28 para makatulog naman po kayo ng maaga. So again, marami pong salamat. Thank you po for watching our online telescope viewing. Antabayan niyo po nyo, we will have a live stream of the partial lunar eclipse tomorrow. Yan, so antabayanan po ninyo yan. Alright, so thank you do sa mga nanood, mga ka-spacers na po natin. Marami pong salamat for watching. This is your ka-spacer and Space Commander. Ayan, with my Star Trek uniform. Yan po, ito yung ating logo, Star Trek. Yan, okay? Professor Jun Cahigal from the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers saying, live long and prosper. Ayan po. So marami pong salamat. And always stay safe, hindi pa ho tapos ang pandemya. Mag-iingat po tayo, always wear your face mask and face shield. And lagi kong binabanggit ito, always love the sciences. Ayan po, so please like and share po yung ating online telescope viewing. Maraming salamat po. And keep reaching for the stars. Ayan po. Thank you and good night. Bye-bye po. Yan, happy birthday po. Advance happy birthday, Mami Cecil Kilang and Mr. GC Cascolan. Advance happy birthday.